warm welcome to all of you in Dutix Dental. Today we will be discussing development of tooth. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टूथ को दो तरीके से हम पढ़ सकते हैं, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्टेज और फिजियोलॉजिकल स्टेज। फिजियोलॉजिकल स्टेज में फंक्शन और प्रोसेस के आधार पर 4 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है: इनिशिएशन, पॉलिफरेशन, हिस्टो डिफ्रेंशिएशन, मॉर्फो डिफ्रेंशिएशन और एपोजिशन। मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्टेज में फंक्शन और शेप के आधार 6 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है: डेंटल लेमिना, बड स्टेज, अर्ली कैप स्टेज, लेट कैप स्टेज, अर्ली बेल स्टेज और एडवांस बेल स्टेज। लेट अस डिस्कस वन बाय वन। फर्स्ट, what is buccopharyngeal membrane? A junction between oral ectoderm and mesoderm. 27 day of gestation, it is a rupture. This is developing oral cavity. This is developing heart. This is developing forebrain. This is stomodium. What is stomodium? Stomodium is a primitive oral cavity lined by oral ectoderm. एक्टोडम में से इनेमल फॉर्म होगा और मेसोडर्म से रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट लाइक सीमेंटम, डेंटिन और पल्प। दिस इज ओरल एक्टोडम. What is primary epithelium band? Some cell of folification continuous band with horseshoe shape. Just beneath the oral ectoderm, connective tissue cells are present. Connective tissue cell ectomeson का origin, ectomeson काइम सेल का ओरिजिन न्यूरल क्रैश सेल में से होता है, इनिशियली एक्टोडर्म और लेटर ऑन मेसोडर्म. दिस प्राइमरी एपिथेलियल बैंड डिवाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरी: डेंटल लेमिना विच डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टूथ और वेस्टिबुल लेमिना. वेस्टिबुल आर फॉर्म ओवर हियर. दिस इज ओरल एक्टोडर्म. This is developing of cheeks. Stomodium developing of tongue. This is primary epithelium layer has been divided into two subdivision: dental lamina और vestibular lamina. Vestibular lamina को lip furrow band भी कहते हैं. dental lamina में से development of tooth होगा. lamina means layer. This is vestibular lamina. This is vestibular lamina और this is dental lamina. Horseshoe shape. What is enamel organ? Dental lamina show increased cell multiplication in some area from thickening placoid called enamel organ. ये है जो पेंसिल से बनाया है वो डेंटल लेमिना है, और जो बॉल पेन से बनाया है enamel organ. Dental lamina show increased cell multiplication in some area from thickening of placoid called enamel organ. This is the dental lamina. This is the enamel organ. Developing of primary teeth over here. What is successional lamina? Dental lamina area deciduous teeth develop a lingual extension develop which is called is successional lamina. All successive teeth are developed from here. This is successional lamina. Dental lamina will be distal extension and form permanent first molar, second molar and third molar. All primary teeth are formed in dental lamina. Distal extension से all permanent molar will be formed. What is cell rest of series? After 5 years, dental lamina degenerate, replaced by connective tissue and break the connection between oral ectoderm and developing of tooth. This degeneration is not complete all area. Some part of the remains over there. Incomplete degeneration. इसको बोलते हैं cell rest of series. इसका कोई फंक्शन नहीं होता. May be present in alveolar bone and gingiva. Pathology like cyst or tumor will be later in form. What is dental papilla? The condensed ectomesenchymal cell just beneath the enamel organ. It is called dental papilla. Form dentin and pulp. What is dental follicle or sac? Ectomesenchymal cell around the enamel organ. It is called dental follicle or sac. It is from cementum, periodontal ligament or alveolar bone. Let us discuss first stage. It is called bud stage. This is oral ectoderm. This is dental lamina. This is dental lamina. This is enamel organ. Just beneath the enamel organ, ectomesenchymal cells are present. This is the dental papilla. Around the enamel organ cell are present. It is called dental follicle or sac. Central cell is a polygonal in shape. Central cell is a polygonal in shape. Peripheral cell is a cuboidal in shape. Low-columnar in shape. Morphodifferentiation is present. Histodifferentiation is not present. Morphodifferentiation means change in shape of enamel organ is present. Histodifferentiation, no specialization of cell over here. This is basement membrane. We will be separate in enamel organ to ectomesenchymal cell. बर्ड स्टेज के बाद तुरंत आता है कैप स्टेज. 3 टाइप ऑफ सेल ओवर हेयर. मॉर्फो डिफ्रेंशिएशन भी देखने को मिलता है और हिस्टो डिफ्रेंशिएशन भी देखने को मिलता है. After bud stage, these polygonal cell uh, will be formed in stellar reticulum. Stellar reticulum star shape will be formed due to polygonal cell glycose amino glycose. It is a hydrophilic water form connective tissue to move to into the enamel organ. Water push the central cell, but they remain attached to intercellular bridge, so called is a stellar reticulum. Function of stellar reticulum is a protection of inner enamel epithelium. Cushing like consistency over here. This is the outer enamel epithelium. This is the inner enamel epithelium. This is stellar reticulum cell. This is oral ectoderm. Oral ectoderm, inner enamel epithelium in columnar in shape. Later differentiation amyloblast deposit the enamel. What is cervical loop? A junction between inner enamel epithelium and outer enamel epithelium. A junction between inner enamel epithelium and outer enamel epithelium will be called is a cervical loop. What is enamel niche? Sometime two or more dental lamina may be seen with entrap ectomism chyme. This entrap ectomism chyme called is enamel niche. Curved dental lamina. This is dental lamina और बीच में जो जगह है उसको बोलते हैं enamel niche. टू डी स्ट्रक्चर में अगर हम देखें तो ये है वन लेमिना और अनदर लेमिना. दिस इज enamel niche. Let us discuss some transition structure. सबसे पहले enamel knot. What is enamel knot? Dense collection of cell just above the inner enamel epithelium. इसको बोलते हैं enamel knot. What is enamel cord? Vertical extension of cell toward outer enamel epithelium. इसको बोलते हैं enamel cord. What is enamel septum? Extension of cell reach outer enamel epithelium. Hence, stellar reticulum divided into two segments. First segment or second segment. इसको बोलते हैं enamel septum. What is enamel navel? A connectivity of oral outer enamel epithelium where enamel septum make a concavity. This is enamel navel. This is dental lamina. This is oral ectoderm. This is outer enamel epithelium. This is stellar reticulum cells. This is inner enamel epithelium. This is cervical loop. और जस्ट enamel organ के बीनीथ जो सेल हो गए उसको बोलते हैं डेंटल पेपिला और अराउंड द इनेमल ऑर्गन जो सेल हो गए इसको बोलते हैं डेंटल सेक. आफ्टर नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज बेल स्टेज. बेल स्टेज में दो प्रकार के हैं, अर्ली बेल स्टेज और एडवांस बेल स्टेज. और दोनों में डिफरेंस ये है कि अर्ली बेल स्टेज में नो मिनरलाइजेशन और एडवांस बेल स्टेज में मिनरलाइजेशन आर सीन. मॉर्फो एज वेल एज हिस्टो डिफरेंशिएशन बोथ आर सीन. अर्ली बेल स्टेज. क्राउन शेप इज डिटरमाइंड इन दिस स्टेज. Epithelium remains, it's called cell rest of series. Stratum intermedium. What is stratum intermedium? Cell between inner enamel epithelium and stellar reticulum known as a stratum intermedium. Squamous in shape, rich in alkaline phosphate, show high metabolic activity and essential for enamel formation. This is stratum intermedium between stellar reticulum cell or inner enamel epithelium. What is membrana preformativita? A separate it is a membrane separate between enamel organ and ectomesenchyme just prior dentin formation. What is acellular zone? A junction between inner enamel epithelium and dental papilla. It is called acellular zone. What is dental sac? A condensed ectomesenchyme surrounding by enamel organ or dental papilla. It is called dental sac. Hertwig root epithelium sheet, a double layer cell extension. It is called Hertwig root epithelium sheet. This is the outer enamel epithelium. This is the inner enamel epithelium, and both are formed in Hertwig epithelium root sheath. Now, advanced bell stage. The end of early bell stage, inner enamel epithelium differentiation in amyloblast. Tall columnar in shape. Differentiation of inner enamel epithelium into amyloblast start at first cusp and then process cervically. This is amyloblast. 4 micrometer wide or 14 micrometer height होती है इसकी. Nucleus are present in central reverse due to reverse polarity. Nucleus shifted move away and form. Let us discuss most important topic, reciprocal induction. Reciprocal induction क्या होता है? Inner enamel epithelium differentiation into amyloblast. Amyloblast signal to dental papilla. Dental papilla differentiation into odontoblast. The odontoblast deposit dentin. Dentin will be signal to ameloblast and deposit enamel. This is stellar reticulum cell. This is stratum intermedium. This is ameloblast. This is enamel, dentin, odontoblast और dental papilla. रेसिप्रोकल इंडक्शन में क्या होता है, इनर इनेमल एपिथेलियम वो डिफरेंशिएशन होकर अमीलोब्लास्ट बनाते हैं और अमीलोब्लास्ट डेंटल पेपिला को सिग्नल भेजते हैं और डेंटल पेपिला विल बी फॉर्म इन ओडोंटोब्लास्ट. ओडोंटोब्लास्ट विल बी फॉर्म इन डेंटिन. डेंटिन विल बी सिग्नल give a signal into ameloblast. Now ameloblast will be formed in enamel. First deposit dentin then enamel. इसका मतलब है डेंटिन पहले बनेगा, इनेमल आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डेंटिन बनेगा. अर्ली बेल स्टेज इनर इनेमल एपिथेलियम गेटिंग न्यूट्रिशन फॉर डेंटल पेपिला, बट एडवांस बेल स्टेज इनेमल और डेंटिन विल बी डिपोजिट सम नेरिएशन of ameloblast. It is stop. Best way for nutrition is a dental sac near the inner enamel epithelium, but cuspal part distance is very high, so stellar reticulum is a degenerated, so can reach the ameloblast. In advanced bell stage, stellar reticulum cell are degenerate because nutrition purpose of inner enamel epithelium. What is Naismith membrane? A membrane between inner enamel epithelium and outer enamel epithelium fuse with each other and form Naismith membrane. After formation enamel or dentin, then next root formation over here, inner enamel epithelium ameloblast will be signal to dental follicle and give odontoblast and deposit the dentin. The periphery cell of dental sac are ameloblast give the signal and form a cementoblast and forming a cementum. Once dentin formation start, Hertzwig root epithelial function ends and cell are degenerate. Not a complete degeneration. There are some cell are remnants called cell rest of melasses. इसका कोई फंक्शन नहीं है. मे बी गिव राइट पैथोलॉजी लाइक सिस्ट और ट्यूमर. पेरिफेरल सेल ऑफ डेंटल सेक डिफरेंशिएशन इनटू सीमेंटोब्लास्ट ने डिपोजिट सीमेंटम. Earthwig root epithelium root sheath bend horizontal from into epithelium diaphragm. This epithelium diaphragm does not meet cervical opening and form a apical foramen. This is Earthwig root epithelium sheath. दोनों तरफ से वो सर्वाइकल ओपनिंग बनाएंगे और वहाँ से आर्टरी और नर्व, सर्वाइकल ओपनिंग यहाँ से आर्टरी और नर्व टीथ में एंटर करेंगे. यदि मल्टी रूटेड टूथ होगा तो फॉर्म वन डायाफ्राम, टू ओपनिंग ओवर हियर. सिंगल रूट, दिस इज सिंगल रूट और टंग लाइक एक्सटेंशन होने के बाद टू रूटेड में डिवाइड हो जाता है. आफ्टर डिस्कस मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्टेज वी विल बी डिस्कस इन फिजियोलॉजिकल स्टेज. सबसे पहले इनिशिएशन आर शॉर्ट स्टेज और डेंटल लेमिना इंक्लूडिंग. प्रोलिफरेशन में लॉन्गेस्ट ऑल स्टेज इंक्लूड. हिस्टो डिफरेंशिएशन में mainly maturation is occur, cap stage, early bell stage और advanced bell stage. Morpho differentiation में shape of the crown. Apposition में step wise growth, regular and rhythmic pattern over here. इनेमल में स्टेप वाइज जो ग्रो होता है उसको बोलते हैं इंक्रीमेंटल लाइन ऑफ रेक्टिजेस और डेंटिन में जो स्टेप ऑफ ग्रोथ होता है उसको बोलते हैं इंक्रीमेंटल लाइन ऑफ वन एबनट. फिजियोलॉजिकल स्टेज मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्टेज पे एक दोनों में ओवरलैप होता है. डेंटल लेमिना इनिशिएशन में आता है, बर्ड स्टेज, कैप स्टेज, अर्ली बेल स्टेज और एडवांस बेल स्टेज. पोलिफ्रिकेशन में आता है कैप स्टेज, अर्ली बेल स्टेज, एडवांस बेल स्टेज. हिस्टो और मॉर्फो डिफरेंशिएशन में आता है और एपोजिशन में सिर्फ एक ही स्टेज आती है, वो होते हैं एडवांस बेल स्टेज. डेंटल सेक में से आउटर, डेंटल सेक को 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है, आउटर, मिडल और इनर. आउटर में से बनेगा एल्वियुलर बोन, मिडल में से पेरियोडेंटल लिगामेंट और इनर में से बनेगा सीमेंटम. इन चारों और जिंजाइवा को चारों को जोड़ दे. Enamel C in ground section, dentin both section और periodontal ligament और pulp seen in decalcified section. Frequently asked question in NEET MDS examination. Which enzyme is seen in stratum intermedium? Alkaline phosphate, acid phosphatase, hyaluronidase and collagen. This is simple, alkaline phosphatase. Proliferation of basal cell forming earthwig root epithelium sheet occur in which stage? This is bell stage, cap stage, bud stage, or appositional stage. This is bell stage. Peg lateral is associated with which stage? Histodifferentiation, morphodifferentiation, initiation, or apposition. Peg lateral stage is associated with morphodifferentiation. Aberration during morphodifferentiation stage of tooth development will lead to change in shape of teeth, change in number of tooth, odontia or oligodontia. The right answer will be change in shape of teeth. Congenital absence of tooth is due to aberration is a histodifferentiation, initiation, apposition or morphodifferentiation. The right answer will be initiation. Aminopeptidase is seen in a stratum intermedium, stellate reticulum, amyloblast or dental papilla. The right answer will be stellate stratum intermedium. Earthwig root epithelium sheet formed by cell of inner enamel epithelium, cell of stratum intermedium, cell of apical periodontium, and cell of cervical lobe. This right answer will be cervical lobe. Blood supply dental papilla is developed during which stage of tooth development? Cap stage, early bell stage, late or bud. The right answer will be cap stage. A gene L1 in odontoblastic differentiation in MAP1, P53, P21, PFAX. The right answer will be P21. A signaling for tooth differentiation and pattern of enamel deposition is controlled by enamel code, mental dentin, enamel knot, the cell of stellate reticulum. The right answer will be enamel knot. Tom's process is a derivative of odontoblast, amyloblast, amylocytes, mesenchymal cell. The right answer will be amyloblast. Enamel forming cell are odontoblast, amyloblast, osteoclast, amyloclast. The right answer will be amyloblast. Incomplete formation of enamel matrix is known as enamel tuft, hypercementosis, enamel hypoplasia, or enamel crack. The right answer will be enamel hypoplasia. Very little time gap between matrix formation and mineralization is a characteristic of dentin, cementum, bone, or enamel. The right answer will be enamel. Which of the following is not found in root, pulp, cementum, dentin, or enamel? Enamel is also found in crown, so right answer will be enamel. Odontoblasts are derived from four: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, neural crescent. The right answer will be neural crescent. Calcified dentin tubule wall has an inner lining termed as lamina lucida, lamina densa, lamina limitans. The right answer will be lamina limitans. Secondary dentin is defined as first form dentin undercusp. No. Dentin form prior to root completion? No. Dentin form after root completion? Yes, the right answer will be C. Dead track are usually seen in deciduous teeth, young permanent teeth, old permanent teeth, active caries teeth. The right answer will be old permanent teeth. The most widely acceptable theory for dental hypersensitivity is direct neural stimulation theory, hydrodynamic theory, transitional theory, or pulpal stimulation theory. The right answer will be hydrodynamic theory. Answer will be B. Size of pulp increase with age, decrease with age, remain same. The answer will be B. Decrease with age. Which type of junction is not seen at the cemento-enamel junction? Enamel meets cementum edge to edge. No junction between enamel and cementum. Enamel overlap the cementum. Cementum overlap the enamel. The right answer will be C. enamel overlap the cementum. Thick layer of cementum seen in functional teeth, non-functional teeth, excessively loaded teeth, the teeth with deep caries. Thick layer of cementum present in non-functional teeth. So answer will be B. Which of the following structure is a directly attached to underlying bone without submucosa? Tongue, gingiva, soft palate, or buccal mucosa? The answer will be directly attached to underlying bone without submucosa. So answer will be B, gingiva.